to be in three POVs at the
Three
same time.
POVs.
I'm recording this also on my chest.
Alright guys, what's going on? We're back. We're back at SeaWorld, but we're not here with the Beastie Boy. We're here with the GoPro Max. Great stuff coming out of this. Are you ready, Jason?
I am ready. So now you see the chassis pins are going in. It's lowering into the flying position now. And now it's time to enjoy your ride. Let's go. So you can see us. I know. Yeah. I'm just too busy cringing at whatever mic is jammed.
Top Cat!
Yeah, those rolls don't technically count as improvement.
Alright, here we go, my favorite part! I love that! Oh, it's so good!
What'd you think, Jason? That's amazing.
That was so much better than I remember it.
Yeah, it's good in the front.
Jason, did you see what I did?
No.
My hand's wet.
His hand's wet. Oh, you touched the water?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love doing that.
You're crazy. I didn't even know you could do that.
It's my third one ever.
New favorite. It's his third ever.
Second B&M ever. That way's still my second.
Oh, the anti-rollback thing is there? I didn't know that.
Oh, shit, I gotta move.
Now the chassis pins are undoing themselves. And it's gonna lower us back into the loading position.